Hi friends! Today we'll figure out how to effectively use Bestchange to find the best cryptocurrency exchange rates. Main steps: currency selection. Choose the currency you want to exchange in the left menu and the one you want to receive on the right. Filtering. Use filters to screen out unreliable exchangers. Minimum reserve, presence of reviews, BL rating. Analysis. Pay attention to the reserve and reviews columns. Choose exchangers with large reserves and positive review history. Important points when working with Bestchange: check reviews, read the latest 5 to 10 reviews about the exchanger, compare rates. An unusually favorable rate might be a sign of fraud. Look at the exchanger's age. The longer it's been operating, the more reliable it is. Verify authentication. Reliable exchangers have verified status on Bestchange. After the exchange, leave honest reviews. This helps other users and improves service quality. Specify details, any issues that arose. Remember, SwapGate is always at the top of Bestchange rankings thanks to low fees and instant exchanges.